First look at the iPhone XS and what looks to be maybe an iPhone XS Plus.
No, that's probably not what that is. The first thing that came into my head is a round Apple Watch. We made a concept earlier of that, and that perfectly falls in line with that. It could be. I really hope it isn't. I don't want a round Apple Watch. There's a lot of limitations that come with a round display, so I think Apple should definitely stick, and they're rumored to stick with a squarish display, just a larger one on their new Apple Watches. So that could be it, but most likely not. And XS Plus and a variety of colors for the iPhone 9. Obviously, the stars of the show, we've talked about them extensively. If you want to learn more about those, I have a bunch of leaks on this channel. Otherwise, there will be new iPads, an 11-inch and a 12.9-inch with no home buttons, Face ID, a huge display, slimmer bezels, and improved cameras. So those are coming as well. We've got the Apple Watches, which are just going to be a larger version of what we have already. It'll be a new form factor, but overall, it'll fit theirs. So extensive coverage of their entire lineup. They want to be updating all of it. And the AirPower wireless charging mat and the AirPods wireless charging case will officially get a release date in September, or so the rumors say, and then there's software. Obviously, iOS 12 is coming, macOS Mojave, we've got watchOS 5, and the tvOS 12, which is arriving immediately after this event, so on September 12th. That's quite an exciting lineup. I mean, we've got so much to look forward to, so stay tuned for all that, guys. But yeah, it's official, September 12th, 10 a.m. You can live stream it pretty much from every device now. Thanks for watching, and leave your predictions down below for what you think that tagline and the actual picture could mean if it were a hidden meaning. I'll see you guys on September 12th with some juicy new iPhone details. Peace.